Welcome back to Techno Trend Zone. Today, we're diving deep into the exciting world of cameras to explore everything we know about the upcoming Canon EOS R6 Mark III. If you're a photography or videography enthusiast, this is one release you'll want to keep on your radar. Let's dissect the latest leaks, expected features, pricing details, and potential release date for Canon's anticipated addition to the EOS R lineup, a legacy worth building on. Building on a strong foundation, the Canon EOS R6, launched in 2020, became a hit among both enthusiasts and professionals. Its blend of high-end performance, versatile features, and a relatively approachable price point made it a fan favorite. From capturing breathtaking landscapes to shooting fast-paced sports events, the EOS R6 proved to be a versatile powerhouse. Canon now seems poised to take this legacy a step further with the EOS R6 Mark II. Let's dig into what the rumors and leaks reveal. Expected release date. While there's no official confirmation yet, rumors suggest a launch sometime in the first quarter of 2025. If Canon's past release patterns are anything to go by, this timeline aligns well with major events like CP+, one of the largest camera trade shows globally. Canon often uses these high-profile platforms to unveil new products. Keep an eye out for announcements just before or after the event for the latest updates. Refined, not revolutionized. The EOS R6 Mark II isn't about rewriting the rulebook. Instead, it focuses on refining what already works while adding meaningful upgrades. Think of it as an evolution rather than a revolution. Here's a closer look at what to expect. Improved sensor and image stabilization. Canon is rumored to equip the Mark III with a 24-megapixel back-illuminated CMOS sensor. While the megapixel count remains the same as its predecessor, the new sensor promises better dynamic range and low-light performance, which will be music to the ears of photographers who shoot in challenging lighting conditions. Paired with Canon's Digic image processor, the camera could deliver 8.5 stops of in-body image stabilization. This is a game-changer for handheld shooting, letting you achieve rock-steady shots without relying on tripods or gimbals. Enhanced speed and performance. Speed is a key feature for any camera in this class, and the EOS R6 Mark II doesn't disappoint. It is rumored to feature a 30 frames per second electronic shutter in RAW format. This makes it an excellent choice for action photography, whether you're capturing wildlife or fast-moving sports. This is complemented by neural network noise reduction, which is expected to deliver cleaner images even at high ISO levels. Autofocus upgrades. Autofocus has always been a strong point for Canon, and the R6 Mark III is likely to inherit technology from the EOS R5 Mark II. This means users can expect fast, accurate, and reliable subject tracking across various scenarios, whether you're shooting portraits, street photography, or high-paced action. The autofocus system is designed to excel. Video capabilities to impress. For video enthusiasts, the EOS R6 Mark III is shaping up to be a versatile tool. It is rumored to support Cinema 4K at 120 frames per second and 6K oversampled Cinema 4K. This gives filmmakers the ability to create ultra-sharp footage and experiment with slow-motion videography without compromising quality. Additionally, it might feature Cinema RAW light support for 6K 30 frames per second and 4K 60 frames per second, offering a range of creative possibilities. A full-sized HDMI port is also expected, addressing one of the biggest complaints about previous models: micro HDMI ports. Screen and viewfinder innovations. Canon is reportedly introducing a flip-to-tilt screen for the first time in this lineup. This feature, borrowed from competitors like Sony and Panasonic, provides greater flexibility for photographers and vloggers alike. Whether you're framing a selfie or shooting at awkward angles, the flip-to-tilt screen will come in handy. Adding to this, an OLED rear display is another first for Canon. Known for their superior color accuracy and contrast, OLED screens are a welcome upgrade for photographers who demand precision. Design and handling enhancements. While the overall design of the R6 Mark III might not stray far from its predecessor, subtle improvements are expected to make handling the camera a more seamless experience. The inclusion of a higher-resolution electronic viewfinder will ensure sharper, clearer previews, especially in bright outdoor conditions. Improved ergonomics and button placements could also enhance usability for both professionals and hobbyists. Cooling improvements. Overheating has been a point of contention for Canon's R-series cameras, particularly during long video shoots. The R6 Mark III is rumored to feature an upgraded cooling system, potentially similar to the technology used in the EOS R5 Mark II. While exact details remain unclear, any step forward in this area will be a relief for videographers. What's missing? Not every rumored feature is making its way into the R6 Mark III. For instance, eye-controlled autofocus and Canon Log 2 support are reportedly absent. These omissions might disappoint some users, but they're likely reserved for higher models like the EOS R5 or the much-anticipated EOS R1. Pricing speculation. Pricing details remain speculative at this stage, but given its predecessor's price point, the EOS R6 Mark II is expected to retail around $2,500 to $2,800 for the body only. This positions it competitively within the mirrorless market, balancing advanced features with affordability. The competition. As Canon readies the R6 Mark III, it faces stiff competition from brands like Sony, Nikon, and Fuji. Cameras like the Sony a7 IV and Nikon Z6 II are direct rivals, each offering its own set of strengths. Canon's focus on refining its user experience combined with meaningful upgrades could give it an edge in this fiercely competitive space. Conclusion. The Canon EOS R6 Mark III is shaping up to be an impressive successor, building on the strengths of its predecessor while addressing user feedback and adding exciting new features. From improved image stabilization to enhanced video capabilities and better ergonomics, it aims to cater to both photographers and videographers. So what do you think? Are these upgrades enough to make you consider upgrading, or are you holding out for Canon's flagship models? Let us know in the comments below. As always, stay tuned to Techno Trend Zone for the latest updates, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into the ever-evolving world of tech.